Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. This will help with the YouTube algorithm. So if you're new to this channel, I have created some other related content to Excel. Please check out my channel. There should be a playlist called Excel Tips. It has all Excel related content. I have also created a video on ChatGPT on how you can use ChatGPT to boost your Excel skills. So please check it out. So a little about this data set. It has about five. Well, it has five columns: order number, quantity order, price for each item, then sales price, and then the country. So what we want is we want the sum of the sales price, but we don't want to sum for all the countries. We want to sum for the U.S. We want to see how much sales we did for the U.S. customers or how much ordered we got from the U.S. customers. So first, we can find out the number of records or how many records are here. So what we can do is equal count and then select the first row and then shift control down arrow. It will kind of select the entire column so you don't have to drag it down, and then close parentheses. And then to go back home, you don't have to use the slider to go up. You can just use control and home and it will take you back home. So these are the number of records in this entire data set. Now we want to find out the total sales for the US. So what we can do is we can use sum if. So now it is asking for for the range of the criteria. So criteria is basically the filter we want to apply. So we will just do countries here because we want to filter it based on countries. But if you wanted to filter it based on something else, you'll be selecting that column in here. So we'll do the first row and then Control Shift down arrow. It will cover the entire column, and then we'll just do comma and then Control Home to go back on the top, and then we'll remove this, and then we'll just put USA and then comma again. So now it is asking for the sum range. So where are we getting this data from? Where are we getting the sum information from, the numbers? So we'll just select the first row and then do the same thing again. We'll select, we'll do Control Shift down arrow. We'll get the entire column, and then we will close the parentheses and then go back home. It will be Control Home again. Here we go. So this is the sales for USA. So now if we want to do total sales for France, what we can do is just copy this and then paste it over here, and then instead of USA we can just write France, and it will just do math for only France. Here we go. So that's how much sales we did for France. That's how much sales we did for USA. You can do for all the other countries as well, but you have to kind of follow the similar pattern. You can apply this formula to anything you like, as long as there's conditions are sort of similar to this. And this is it for this video. So please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.